Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So what I have for you guys today is another subscription service, or a new subscription service, at least for me. And this is the Box by Fashionsta. I have seen this circle around YouTube several times. A friend of mine, I think, has done, yes, my friend has done unboxings on this as well. And I decided to try it. So this is $24.99 a month, and it's supposed to bring 5 to 7 full-size products. So let's jump in and see what we got. All right, so first thing I see here is a little pamphlet. And what does it say? Box with a purpose. Your subscription helps others. So this is great as well. It says, we truly rise by lifting others. Feel good about your subscription because it makes our partnership with 1736 Family Crisis Center in Los Angeles possible. With your box purchase, we are able to lovingly donate self-care items to people overcoming and healing from domestic violence and human trafficking. This is amazing. This is another reason why you want to stay subscribed to this. Definitely. Then on the other side, you get your products and their retail value. So first thing I am getting from the box is from Cle Cosmetics. And this is their Prime and Fine Dewy Glow Finishing Spray. This retails for $8. I don't know if this is full size or not, but they say that all their products are full size. So I'm guessing this is. This is a prime spray, so this goes on before your makeup. Next thing in here is from Dirty Lamb, and this is an Ultra Day Serum, non-greasy formula, smooth finish. And this retails for $44. And it says, brighten up your day and skin with a powerful blend of fast-absorbing, naturally derived oils. Rice Bran Oil, Japan's anti-aging secret, will keep your skin hydrated throughout the day. Natural, vegan, and cruelty-free. So this sounds interesting. I'm getting so many serums, guys, that I don't know what I'm gonna do with them. Next thing in here is from Cle Cosmetics. And this is a melting lip powder. This retails for $20. Oh, wow. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I wonder how this works. You see it there? Can you guys see that? Okay, so this says a capsulized lip product that transforms pigmented powder into a long-wearing lip tint with a deep matte finish thanks to its hero ingredient, vitamin E. Using your fingertip or included lip applicator, melting lip powder can also be applied to the eyes, cheeks for a flush of natural color. Paraben free, gluten-free, cruelty-free. Oh, wow. Okay. So yeah, that's what the applicator looks like. Oh, it does, it's like a powder and then it's a little bit wet. So you see it right there, here. And then it, I guess it like sets as a cream, like as a matte cream, really dry. Interesting. Next thing in here is from Earth Harbor, and this is a Mermaid Milk Nutrient Glow Moisturizer. So this retails for $42. A purely plant-derived replenishing moisturizer that hydrates and balances skin while giving you a mermaid glow. This lightweight creamy formula is packed with superfoods, spirulina, and matcha. She is non-greasy, never oily nor sticky, and absorbs quickly. Wear her under makeup or alone to let skin breathe. So let's see. Oh wow, this looks really interesting. Can you guys see? Let me see if it smells. It just smells earthy. It's nothing out of the ordinary, I'm guessing. This would be nice. It feels like it would be nice. Okay, thing in here is from Amoris. Shop Amoris. Okay, and this is a 15 shade eyeshadow palette, and look how pretty and tropical that looks. I'm loving that. This retails for $9. Oh yes, oh yes, definitely up my alley. It has a cute little mirror, and look at how pretty all those colors are. Look at that. It has the plastic still on it. So we've got matte and metallic shades in here. We've got 3 mattes on the top, 2 metallics. We've got 3 mattes here and 2 metallics. Is that it? Yeah. And we've got all metallics on the bottom. Nice, nice, nice. I really like the colors on this palette. I hope the camera picked them up because they're really pretty, really, really pretty. All right, and then the last thing in this palette, the last thing in this box is a concealer palette from Cle Cosmetics. This retails for $50. Wow, guys, this is crazy. Look. So it has all your color correcting concealers. And here you have an instructional guide. And here you have all your color correctors. Wow, what a great palette to have. It has your mirror and it has all your color correcting colors. Amazing. Beautiful. It's a really good thing to have for sure. All right, guys, so in this box, we have gotten a color correcting concealer palette, which is amazing. We got a beautiful eyeshadow palette. We've got the prime spray. We've got the melting lip powder, the mermaid milk moisturizer. We've got the day serum. Definitely a really, really good box, guys. I really enjoyed this box. I definitely think it's worth it. Everything that we got in here is a good value, so the price of the box is great. I love the fact that we are helping this foundation or this center for human trafficking, which is a huge problem, and that made me that much more likely to stay subscribed. I really, really liked that aspect of this subscription service. So I think this is another great subscription service, guys. I don't know what I'm gonna do with so much stuff anymore, except hold a lot of giveaways for you guys, because that's something that I definitely love to do. You guys know that I love that. So yeah, guys, that's it for this video. Let me know what you guys thought of this box. I'll leave the link down below if you're interested in subscribing. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, my loves.